So previously we discussed sorry, I think it went off. Previously we discussed the fetal part of the placenta. We discussed how it looks like, also the functions and all of that. So right now we're taking some time to look at the maternal surface of the placenta. That's like we are trying to hear a story from the mother and the baby. So you heard the fetus part, you want to hear the mother's part now. So placenta has two surfaces, the one that is at the baby side, then the one that is what at the mother's side. Okay, so it's also known as the basal plate. Okay, it's known as the basal plate. It's the side of the placenta that attaches to the uterine wall and interfaces with the mother's blood supply. Okay, so it's at the side of the mother interfacing, okay, with the mother's blood supply. Okay, so what are the characteristics of the mother's side of the placenta? So color is dark red or maroon because you have a lot of blood supply there. Texture is rough and spongy, unlike the baby's side that is smooth. Okay, then structure composed of about 18 to 20 lobes that are called the cotyledons, which are separated by deep grooves which are known as sulci. Alright, so you can see cotyledons. So those grooves around the cotyledons is what we call the sulci. Okay, so each cotyledon contains what masses of chorionic villi, which are finger-like projections. They facilitate what, like they increase the surface area so that what nutrient and gas exchange is smooth. Okay, so origin is derived from decidua basalis. That's the part of the uterine lining that interacts with the developing placenta. Okay, so what is the function? So it just acts as an interface for maternal blood. Okay, let the things communicate. So it allows nutrients and oxygen to pass to the baby, plays a role in anchoring the placenta to the uterus. Okay, so it holds the baby in place. Okay, so this surface is examined after delivery to ensure that all cotyledons are intact. Do you understand? And everything is, that's why you hear retained placenta membranes. It could be those cotyledons. So they usually make sure that everything is delivered. Okay, that's the third stage of labor.